How to block someone on Wire. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. If you are on Wire Messenger and want to block someone, then here is how you can do it in a few simple steps. Start off by opening up the Wire application on your device and log into your account. Once you're logged in, go ahead and open the conversation with the person you want to block. Just tap on that and then click on the drop down from the top of the screen and tap on their name. Click on conversation details and then from here click the three dots at the bottom right and click on block in the pop-up. Now click on the block button once again and the contact will be blocked. They will no longer be able to message or call you through Wire unless you choose to unblock them later. So that's how it's done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.